Welcome to the video on Gemini Live, your portable AI mentor. This is about mastering complex concepts through conversational learning while you are on the go. We are witnessing a paradigm shift in knowledge acquisition. This transition moves us from passive consumption of information to active, real-time dialogue. Gemini Live is a voice-first interface enabling natural, back-and-forth dialogue with AI. It mimics talking to a human, allowing you to deep dive into topics effortlessly, making learning as easy as a conversation. Capabilities built for professionals include being interruption-ready, hands-free mobility, and providing 10 natural voices to match your listening preference. The walk and talk advantage means pairing physical activity with Gemini Live. This transforms routine movement into high-value professional development, without the distraction of a screen. Senior executives choose Live for cognitive agility, time efficiency, a safe environment for testing ideas, and achieving technical depth through continuous questioning. Gemini Live enables real-world learning scenarios, moving from theory to practical application in your daily workflow. It is capable of transforming information into insight through strategic logic, technical review of standards, and exploring global contexts like geopolitical impacts. AI conversational learning offers active engagement, hyper-tailored context, total spatial mobility, and instant clarification, surpassing conventional learning modalities. Voice-first intelligence is on the rise. Projected adoption of voice AI for professional learning shows significant growth towards 2025. Speech allows for information processing at 150 words per minute, which is 3.7 times faster than mobile typing at 40 words per minute. This highlights the velocity of speech. Ready for your next learning session? Simply open the Gemini app, tap the waveform icon, and start your conversation to integrate AI into your daily walk.